Hello, I'm Kanjilal, co-creator at Watch This Space, and we are a diversity and inclusion company helping you understand where you are on the inclusion journey and how you can make progress with really clear actions to progress on the road to inclusion. And I'm also co-author of a book, which you can probably see behind me, called The Inclusion Journey. And that book goes through lots of research, stories, and ideas about how you can really progress on inclusion. And I'm also a TEDx speaker. I've talked about the power of differences, and I speak at lots of conferences and events too. And I'm going to be running a session with you on challenging your assumptions because whether we're aware of it or not, we all make assumptions about people all of the time. And that's because of how our minds function, how our brains process information. And it's something that once you're aware of, you can do something about. So that's what we're going to be looking at. We're going to be looking at what information your brain is trying to process, how you can make sense of that, and how you can be aware of assumptions that you might be making about other people. And you might be thinking, well, why is that important? Why does it matter that I need to do that? Well, it's because when we make assumptions about people without realizing it, we could be alienating people, offending people, just making incorrect assumptions about people that we want to interact with. And there's a really strong and proven business case that those who are inclusive, those organizations that really work on inclusion, they're more successful, they have more new ideas, they're more profitable, people are happier working in those organizations, they're more productive. All sorts of research, which we have lots of information on in our book, is all about why this matters and why it's important. So, what we're going to be looking at is how to break that down, how to really think about how your brain processes information, then what you can do about it. What are the tangible things that you can do to start to make a difference? And it won't just be me talking to you about it. We're going to be doing a workshop where you will all explore ideas and ways that you communicate and work so that you can really learn how you can make a change in all of that. So I'm really looking forward to the session and I will see you then.